It's not too late to enjoy a staycation here in Bellemeade S. All brick 5-bedroom 3-bath home with huge backyard complete with screened porch, 18 by 36 saltwater in-ground pool, brand new liner and saltwater chlorinator, surrounded by 4 feet wrought iron fence around pool area for extra safety in mind. Interior does not disappoint, featuring designated office space, formal dining, 2-bedroom 2-bath downstairs, 3-bedroom 1-bath upstairs. Downstair HVAC installed 2013 and up HVAC installed 2016. Don't let this one slip away. Call today.